Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the file and duplicating the layer to preserve the original. This protects your work. Once done, find the perspective tool in the Transform or Edit menu and enable the grid or snapping so you can see alignment guides. You should identify the vanishing points and note which corner handles control horizontal and vertical skew. This matters because removing perspective requires counter-transforming those exact handles. Prepare a reference straight line for later verification. You now counter the applied perspective by using Free Transform or Distort. These often accept manual corrections when perspective is locked. Make small, controlled moves. Drag the handles opposite the skew to straighten verticals and horizontals, and keep an eye on the grid so lines converge correctly. If your editor permits, type numeric values for rotation or shear to match original ratios. This gives repeatable accuracy. Once the lines align with the guide, commit the transform and proceed to cleanup. You finish by tidying up artifacts and empty edges created when you corrected perspective. Use cropping or content-aware fill to reclaim composition. Then, compare the corrected layer against the duplicate original to confirm proportions and make small fixes with healing, clone, or a subtle sharpen. Make sure to save as a new file version and preserve editable layers. This lets you revert if the correction needs adjustment. If things still look off, check that your vanishing point assumptions were correct and reapply a gentler transform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.